folks, John Crane here from the Great Pacific Northwest, and I'm coming to you with a project that I did in collaboration with a company called Blackmouth Design here on Bainbridge Island in Washington. And this is a faux beam covering a coffered ceiling. These are some rustic boards that I'm sanding to thickness through a time saver belt sander. This is at my friend David Coates's. If you haven't used one of these sanders, these are absolutely amazing. So anyway, this is just going to be a quick video to show you how I made these. I think they turned out just awesome. So we sanded those to thickness, not taking off the rough side. These are real rustic looking beams. Cut these at a 45. There's several different shapes here. There's L-shaped coverings and there's U-shaped coverings that are going to cover some structural members in a ceiling. So this will be above a fireplace, and this is some really old wood here. So anyway, I cut these and then I biscuit jointed the corners and then I glued them up with some clamps here. This was a tough project to do by myself. I needed many clamps. I actually ran out of clamps. Now, there was a couple seams that didn't quite totally close up. I think this is where I ran out of clamps. I had to go over to my friend's house and borrow some. But here's a good trick, is to fill the edge, the corner here, with glue. I like this Tight Bond 3 glue. I seem to use it for everything nowadays. So you fill the edge here, the corner, and then I'm just taking, you could take any kind of round bar. I'm just using the handle of a scraper. Right? Maybe something Scout Crafter can refinish this tool in a few years and get it back to looking good. But use this round bar and just go over the edge, and you're rolling in the fibers of the wood, and you're kind of rounding that corner off while the glue is wet. You're kind of crushing those fibers in. Then I'm going after it with a piece of sandpaper, and that's creating some sawdust that's pushing the sawdust into the glue. And I tell you, this corner just totally blends together, and this just looks like a real beam. Look at that. Doesn't that look fantastic? It just looks amazing, right? You wouldn't be able to tell that this was a fake beam, even though it's real wood, right? But you wouldn't be able to tell it's glued at the corner. All right, now this is a unique finish. I'm using this Czar black stain. So I'm gonna stain these, and then after this gets stained, it will all get sanded down. So the low spots will retain the stain, and then the high spots will be sanded off, and it's a really nice effect that happens on this wood. So here I am. I think I'm just using some 60 grit sandpaper. I got the vacuum on and just sanding this down, and look at the reveal of the grain on this wood. It still has the old saw marks in it. Just beautiful looking. Here's where a knot hole fell out. 2P10 to the rescue. And now, after this is glued in, I'm going to put a couple coats of the Bana Mega Floor Finish. Now, you guys have seen me do this in previous videos, and the Bana Mega is a waterborne finish. It's for floors. It dries relatively quick, which makes it very easy to use. I really like this product. I didn't show putting it on, but I rolled it on and I brushed it out with a brush to pop any bubbles in the finish. This got 2 coats. Just look at the grain on this wood. Isn't this amazing? I think it looks absolutely beautiful. I didn't get to go on the install on this job and put these in the ceiling, but I'm sure whoever the customer was here is very happy with these. I'm very happy with the results. I think they look amazing. You guys saw me do some of the Yakisugi technique in some other videos to darken the wood. Here is another method to darken the wood, and this looks fantastic as well. I really like that Yakisugi look. I really like this look here as well. This is a great collaboration with Blackmouth Design. They did the install. This is all the footage I got They sent me this little video just to show me what the coffered ceiling looked like at the end, and turned out looking dynamite. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys are great, and I will see you all soon. Alright, right on.